So what is Raganuga Bhakti? So all the sakhas of Shri Krishna, they are always engaged himself in the service of Krishna in the Sakhya mood. This is called the Shuddha Sakhya Bhava, the pure Sakhya Bhava. It's the pure friendship mode. And Nand Yashoda has pure Vatsalya Bhava in their heart, and they are observed their mind in the service of Krishna and the Vatsalya Bhava. They don't have the Aishwarya Buddhi for Krishna. They just think that Krishna is many times Krishna. He showed his Bhagavad form that I am the Bhagwan, but still Mother Yashoda won't believe that he is Bhagwan. He is just my son only. When Krishna was a child, yawning, when he was taking yawning, and at that time she saw many Brahmans in her mouth. So seeing all that Brahman in the mouth of Krishna, she didn't believe that he is Bhagwan himself. She was thinking that something bad evils had come, or bad eye has come on the head of my son. That's why Ma Yashoda called so many Brahmans, and she did many likes of Karma Kriya, and he purified Krishna, and the mantras was chanted by the Brahman. So the and then the Swasti Vachan and Shuddhikaran had done of Krishna's, and she had given so much donation to Brahman. So in the same way, and the second time, when Krishna was playing in the Brahman Ghat, so many friends came to, and many came many friends came and asked to Mother Yashoda that your Krishna has eaten soul. You're eating sand so much. So there are so many insect in his mouth. And Kanaya said that I didn't eat the sand. I said I didn't eat the mitti. So everybody was teasing Krishna at that time. So what Yashoda did and twisting his ears and asked to that please open your mouth, I will see. When the Bal Gopal opened his mouth, so Mother Yashoda showed there are many kinds of Brahman in the mouth of Krishna. When she was twisting the ear of Valgopal in the same, and she saw the same picture that I am twisting the ear of Valgopal, and she saw the picture inside the mouth of Krishna. And then she did all kinds of many karma kand, like she called many brahman, and many brahman they chanted the pious mantra and swasti vachan and many things they did, and she gave the donation to all the brahmans. So in the same way, so Krishna has shown so many times the Aishwarya Leela before the Brijvasis, but they don't want to believe that he is Bhagwan. They are not ready to accept this truth that Krishna is Bhagwan himself. So that's why it is said in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Seeing the Aishwarya, but still they are not believing all that. Because they have because our Vishwanath Chakravarti Path said, so the Brijvasi had the deep impression in their heart that Krishna is our family member. He is just a special family member of our family. This kinds of feeling they have in their heart. This is called Lokik Sadbandhuvat Preeti. Just like in this world we are seeing that we have so many family members, and we are making developing the relationship and having fun accordingly, like if they are sorrow we are sorrow, if they are happy we are sorrow. In the same way Vijwasi thinks like that Krishna is just like a family members of our, and if he is sorrow then we are sorrow, if he is happy then we are happy. They are not thinking that Krishna is Bhagwan himself. These all are the Ragatmik Jan. So if the rays of the Brajvasi's feelings manifested in our heart in a little way, Sandhini, so we will be fortunate. So what is Bhav? Samdini, Haladni and Samvedish. So in the same, in the more amount we our variation, our heart will be pure. In the same amount, when our heart will be pure and the pious, so by the mercy of Krishna or by the mercy of Guru, so Samvid means aprakritik gyan, Haladni means the pleasure. So where that Haladni come from Srimati Radhika Rani, because Radhaji is Haladni Shakti herself. That's why ब्रजवासी की हृदय में इस स्वाभाविक रूप में एक रागात्मक भक्ति So Ragatmika Bhakti is spontaneously established, manifested in the heart of Brajvasi. So under the guidance of Brajvasis, whatever Bhakti is doing, that is called Ragatmika Bhakti. That's why I was told yesterday what is Rag, who is Raganuga, and who is Ragatmika. So I have given so many examples to you. We have understand yesterday. I told you about. So under the guidance of Ragatmika Jan, so whatever the seva tendency of service we have, that is called Ragatmika. Just like so in the Brajvasi's heart for Krishna, like Nanda Yashoda have the spontaneous Vatsalya Bhav in their heart for Krishna. So how I will serve the Val Gopal under the guidance of in the Vatsalya mode under guidance of Nanda Yashoda. This is called Ragatmika. Ragatmika. What is Raga? Chitta Ranjitati Raga. Just like our senses has and they are attracted towards material things spontaneously, they are desiring their object, so they will attract towards roop, ras, shabd, gandh, sparsha. So there is no they are not giving any invitation, like just like our eyes, it's or spontaneously will go to the beautiful form. So this is spontaneously, so this is called rag. I'm giving this jad example. Hmm. Jeev Goswami Pal is saying, so it will spontaneously goes towards tanmatra. There are five kinds of tanmatra: roop, ras, gandh, sabd, sparsh. So in the same way, Vijbasi have the spontaneous love for Krishna, for Krishna. So this is spontaneous. So they have the for last many words deep impressions. So these all are the manifestation of Swarur Shakti. They are not the Jeev Tattva. They are Parikar Tattva. So all the Parikar, like they are not the Jeev Tattva. They are Parikar Tattva. According to the Gauriya Siddhant, what is Parikar Tattva? In the Gauriya Siddhant, it is also told about that what is Jeev Tattva, what is Parikar Tattva. So where all the Parikar Tattvas coming from? From the Swarup Shakti. So all the parikars are manifestation from the Swarup Shakti. So they have the spontaneous love for the Krishna. So that's why it is saying. So they have the spontaneous love. It is Siddha. It is spontaneously by birth. They are not acquiring that. So many times you will hear, then you will come to know. Now we are moving forward. So they are always living in the Utkantamai, the eagerness of love. As Ajit Goswami Pad is explaining all the things. What is Utkantamai Prem? The eagerness of love. So their mind is observing Krishna's service, not except Krishna, they cannot see anything. So one is Utkantamai Prem. What is Utkantamai? It is seen by the Brajvasis like Subal, Shridham, Nanda, Yashoda, and the gopis. These all are the Utkantamai Prem, the eagerness of love, the love with eagerness. This is so they have the eagerness for love for Krishna. Who are very fortunate. Okay, so who are fortunate? So what will they? They will hear the story and the katha of Brajvasi Jan who have the deep impression and deep love in their hearts. So after hearing that, they will get the greed in their heart that how can I develop this kinds of love as the Brajvasi have. So the Brajvasi thinks like that. So when they get the greed that how can I develop this kinds of love in my heart. So this is all described in our scriptures. So what is the cause of getting greed? Getting greed is the cause of greed. I told you Ragatmika Bhakti is many kinds of name. Lobhamai Bhakti, the Bhakti of greediness. Kripa Siddha Bhakti. Kripa Sadhya Bhakti. Lobhamai Bhakti. So the Raganuga Bhakti is like Kripa Sadhya Bhakti. If you get the mercy of a highly sent person, so that is called Kripa, and you are able to enter in the Braj Leela. That. And if you don't have this kinds of greed, so there are three in Ragvarta Chandrika, Shilveshwana Chakripad said, are you the lobe or not? So there are three reasons for lobe. I will tell you when the time will come. I used to tell one story always, because you don't have to you don't need to do anything to generate this love for Krishna. There is no why shabd, why no word. Where there is mercy of Bhagwan, what I told in Ragana Bhakti, Kripa. Shilveshwana Chakraparti Pad is saying, who can attain the mercy of Bhagwan and why he got this, we cannot say anything. This is called Ahetuki Kripa. There are two kinds of Kripa, Ahetuki and Hetuki Kripa. Ahetuki Kripa, why happened? Ahetuki Kripa, we cannot say anything about this. There is no cause behind it. So maybe according to our last impression, so who are logistic person and argumental, so they are searching the cause, why it happens, why they put the question mark always, that why it happened, but there is no reason. Still somebody say, okay, it's the why it happens. So according to the argumental people, so who want to know everything about their wisdom, after with the argument. So if they want to establish something, still for them, when them we can say maybe for the last previous birth impression this happened. We can show some reason to them, but Vishnu Chakravarti is saying there is no reason behind. There is no cause, no cause. Love is the cause. The greed is the cause of greed. For many last previous births, if you are performing bhajan and sadhan for last many previous births and got the ahitya ki kripa or Bhagwan, without causeless mercy of Bhagwan, and you have heard the Ragatmika, the Braj Katha with the Rasik Jan. So there is no cause. Arup Goswami Pad and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu is describing there on the Ekadashi. There was a girl. She went to the court of Sant Mahatma and she was hearing the Braj Katha there. And she heard the Prem Madhuri of Srimati Radhika Rani there. So hearing that Katha, she got a greed in her heart that I am the friend of Srimati Radhika Rani. So hearing this feeling, getting this feeling in the night at alone place that I am the Sakhis and friend of Srimati Radhika Rani. And she was observed her mind in the Sakhi's mood, and after that she became the Sakhi of Srimati Radhika Rani. And what is her name, the Sakhi? And there is a name mentioned in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu of that Sakhi. So you have to observe your mind in that kind of bhava. It's not possible by the argument. That's why it is saying. So you have to hear the Katha Shravan. After hearing the Katha, you will get the love, the greed in your heart. And you have to buy this kinds of feelings by the greed of cost. So if we hear the Braj Kathas, then we'll get this kinds of breed. So Ragatmika Jan, Ragatmika Prakriti is not, there is need to find that spontaneous they have in their heart. As I went to Varsana, so I used to tell one story. In Barsana, there was a Seth who used to live in Barsana. Maybe you have heard this kinds of story. There was a Seth who used to live in Barsana. He had lots of money. He was very rich. He used to do business. He had 3 sons, and all are married. And they all are very scholar and very educated. He got married of 3 sons. And when the Shri wife's 3 ladies came into the house, he was very pleased. All kinds of comforts was there. So he had the Braj feelings. He had the Braj feelings in their heart. Gokul's गाय मथुरा की बेटी बाहर जाए. So here Gurudev is saying that Mathura's daughter and Gokul's cow cannot go out. If they are going out, so they are very misfortunate. So here he is telling the story that Seth have everything, and he got married of their 3 sons, and she all had wife now. So all are paying respect to the Sasur, his father-in-law. According to our culture, they are respecting his father-in-law. So after some times, what happened? The wife of that Sethji, the Sethani, gone away. She passed away. Because the boys are very educated, the sons of that Sethji were very educated, so they were servicing somewhere, they were doing job somewhere. So what happens, they went to early morning and came in the night. So the Sasur don't used to talk the wife of their sons too much. So what happens, they are just fulfilling their duties, they are providing food and everything to the father-in-law, but he didn't talk to them too much, so he was feeling so much lonely after the death of his wife. So hearing, so one day the Sethi was crying, and when the saint came, so and that Sethi was crying too much, and Sethi said his heartily thinks that my wife has gone away, she has passed away. Now I am very lonely feelings. All the sons of my married now, but I am feeling so much alone. There is no one that whom can I talk. They all are working, so I used to my shop, but still I am feeling so much loneliness in my heart. I am feeling so much loneliness. So it's just like a mechanic life. I don't talk too much to anyone. So if I had a girl, so that I can I for that divert my mind, I can talk to her. So if I will got her married, if she is not married, then she stay at my home, so I can talk to her. So Sant Mahatma said to Sethji, so you are very fortunate. You are staying in Brajadam, and the second, this is Varsana. In this Varsana, taking birth, Brahma and Shiva and the many devtas are worshipping there. Brahma is performing. He is standing like a Parvat, is a mountain here, and Vishnu is doing austerity in the Vishnu Parvat. We used to go Sakri Khor. One side is Brahma Parvat, and other side is Vishnu Parvat. So Brahmaji is worshipping austerity, doing austerity in the form of mountain. Whatever you are not translating. So you are very fortunate that you got the birth in this Varsana. So why are you worrying? So this is the rituals of Varsana. Srimati Radhika is not only the daughter of Vishwanu Maharaj. All the Brajbasu thinks that she is the sons of all the Varsana's people. They think even today they think that the Radhika Rani is all daughters of all the Varsana's people. Even today, what happened? Nandagaon peoples used to say that Krishna is the son of Nanda Maharaj, but all the Nandagaon people think that Krishna is our son, and all the Varsana people think that Radharani is our daughter. Gurudev used to tell one story. In the there was a one man who was plowing field, and they have the field there. There was too much thirsty, so much hot there, and he was feeling so much thirsty. He fainted that time. So the Nandgaon people came to him and asked him that please take water. So he said, I don't want to drink water of Nandagaon's people because my Vrashmanu daughter got married in Nandagaon. That's why he didn't take the water and he left his pran, he left his life. So they have this kind of feeling that Radha ji is not the daughter of Vishwanu Maharaj. She is also our daughter. So that's why that Sant Maharaj said to all the Sant people said told to Sethji that Radha is not only Vishwanu daughter, she is the daughter of all the Varsana's people. So that's why that Sant Mahatma gave a beautiful picture of Shrimati Radhika Rani to that Sethji, and she was smiling a little bit. He has in the Chitpa, she is smiling a little bit. So that the son said to the Sethji, whenever you go to bed, so thinking that she is my daughter, you can hug her and kiss her. So the Sethji did the same thing. Whenever he was going to bed, he was hugging and kissing the tit part, as the general people used to do. So they have this kinds of feeling in their heart. So believing the words of Sant Mahatma, he always used to do, he whenever he was going to sleep, he always kissing and hugging that picture. So the astonishing thing is that whenever he go to bed and when the eyes was closed, so there was a little girl, the Kishori ji, and the smiling form she came to in the dreams of that Mahatma ji, and he was dreaming the Radha ji all night. छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले, that's the ब्रज कीर्तन, छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे. So he was getting so much pleasure spontaneously, there is no cause. So he had the feeling that Radhaji is my daughter. Radhaji is my daughter. He had this kinds of feeling. So what happened? So he was doing these things every day, every day. After some time, what happened? There are many festivals used to come in the Braj. So in there was a festival was in Braj. So what happened? All the bridegrooms of that sons, all the wives of that his sons used to tell that today we will wear bangles in our hand. Sethi said, okay, I am going to my shop. So on the way there is a bangle seller. There is a bangle seller called Manihari. So I will ask him, so he will come to give the bangles. So as the daily Shriji used to go to the bangles up to his shop, so he told the Manihari, the bangle seller, Manihari, please go to my home, and all the ladies are there. You can do something. You can give the bangles to them, and you can take the money from my shop at 6 p.m. You know, sometime we used to go to Bhiksha if we gone early. whenever we, whenever we used to go for alms for begging rickshaw, so what happened? The Brajvasi used to scold at, oh, they are used to scolding us, oh, bench. That is, you have came so early, and they are abusing a sale. You have come so early, you know. They used to give us abusing that time, that you are coming so early. We haven't opened our shop. So, Sacha. So the Baniyas never speak truth. Sacha. Baniyas bacha never say Sacha. Baniyas, and if he is selling if he is selling the Satya, his truth, he is the child of hog, pig. The Baniyas son never speak truth, and if he is speaking truth, he is the son of hog or pig. So here we have seen it is written somewhere. Now, but oh, donkey son, do not do urination here. So this is all are the bridge abusing. Very, very sweet. Then he said, okay, so for taking money you can come to me at 6 p.m. when बढ़ा दे रहे बढ़ा रहे बढ़ा रहे बढ़ा रहे. No, the Venice people never used to say that we are closing our shop. He always used to say we are बढ़ा रहे हैं. It's a Hindi word. So at the 6 p.m. the Bengal seller came, the Manihari came to the shop of that Sethji, and he asked the money. So he asked that how much money. So he said this much of money. So he said, oh, you are asking too much money. Why you are asking too much money? So he said, Sethji, no, it's not too much. So he said there are 3 ladies only at the home. So the Bengal seller said, the Manihari said, no, Sethji, I have given the Bengals to 4 ladies. So the Sethji said, I have passed my wife has passed away for 3 years ago. So there are 3 ladies only. The Bengal seller said, no. When the Manihari was going, so there are 3 ladies came there, and there was also a lady, a little girl. This is the rituals of the Braj. They have so much kinds of curtains on the head. So from the curtains of the ghungat, she said that I want this kinds of bangles and that kinds of bangles. When these three ladies went away, so there was a beautiful girl came, and she had given her hand to me. So Manihari thought, the Bengal seller thought, that she must be belongs to their house. So she has a beautiful big eyes and a beautiful the curly hairs she had, and she was giving her hand to me. So when I holding her hand and I give the bangles to her, so that's Manihari said, the bangles said, I have given the bangles to the four ladies at your house. So the Banya never gives too much. The businessman never give money too much to anyone. So he said, okay, I will give you three ladies. I'm giving you the money for three ladies. So I will ask my at home that who is the fourth month. So the Maniari said, okay, no problem. Whatever you wish, you can give me money after some time. So he has given the money for three. And Manihari went away and said, after closing the shop, Sejdi went away, and he reached to his house, and so sometimes he didn't ask to the ladies of the house that who was the fourth month. So when Sejdi was taking prasad, and when he was going to sleep, so he saw the chitpat, and he saw there are some bangles in front of the chitpat of Srimati Radhika Rani, and she was saying, so my ladies of my house, maybe she has put they have put the bangles here before the chitpat. So what Sheshdi put take the chitpat, and he was going to bed. And when he was going to sleep, and when he was sleeping, so what he thought, the Radhaji was not coming in the dream of that Sethji. So earlier, what used to happen when the eyes was closed, he used to got the dream instantly of Shrimati Radhika Rani. But today it is happening nothing, nothing. So he was dreaming. He was calling in the dream, "Hey, where are you, Radhika? Beti, where are you? Oh, daughter, where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Radhika? Where are you?" So he was calling Shrimati Radhika Rani. When he was calling too much, when he was calling again and again, and she saw a beautiful picture of Shrimati Radhika Rani, that she was nodding, she was downing her head, down her head, and crying there, and it was all going in the dream. So the Sage asked, "Oh, what happened, beta? Why are you crying?" The Rajaji said, "You." This is the Braj Ki. The Rajaji said, तीन बहू के याद करी, बेटी याद नहीं। हिंदी समझ सरल। तीन बहू के याद करी, बेटी याद नहीं। नता तो बनाया। So this is the Kirtan of Braj, that you have made me your daughter, but you are not playing the role. You are not, what we said. Relationship. You develop the relationship, but you know So that the Radhaji said that you made me your daughter. You made me your daughter, but you are not treating me like a daughter. You made me daughter, but you are not treating me like a daughter. So you give the Bengals rupees to your son's wives, for the three ladies of your house, but you not paid the money for me. So what happened to you? That's why I'm crying here. And she got the man that time. And then Shivji came to know everything. It all was dreaming in the time, in the dream. So, oh Betty, and then Shivji said, "Oh, sorry, Betty. Yes, yes, yes. I know. Got to know that who is the fourth one." And then he woke up, and he was saying in the dream, "Oh, how? Please, 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 please. You don't be rude. Don't be rude. I'm just going, paying for the money to that Manihari, the Bengal seller. You don't cry. You don't cry." So he started crying, saying this. And after that, so Shetji wake up and he saw that he was crying, very crying. He was crying. Is it true or it is true or a dream? So what he saw, so the bangles, whose bangles was this belongs to the Radhaji. So he didn't pay the money to for that bangle seller. So what happened? So he left everything in the Brahmurat early in the morning. He went to the Manihari's shop, Manihari's house, and he knocked the door and asked, "Oh Manihari, oh bangle seller, please come out and take the money." And that Manihari came and asked then, "Oh, what happened, Sethi? You are so early." So he said, "Okay, you told me that you have give this bangle seller for 4 people. I got to know that you are very fortunate. You have given the bangles to the Radhaji. So you are very fortunate. So please take the money. If you won't take the money, the Radhaji won't be pleased. So please take the money." So at least he gave the money to Manihari, and after that, when he was returning at home, what he saw, the bangles which was before the Chitrapat, it has been disappeared now. Bolo Vrindavan mein Lal ki jai. This is the true incident. So I'm just telling the story. It's just like a story. What is the true incident? It happened in the Barsana. When you are staying in Braj, when you meet to Brajmani, so they will tell you the realization of theirs. That's why it's named Tishtam Brajet. When you make a friendship with Brajvasi, that's why our Sanasana was saying, Path, what they used to do in Braj. So they have the deep relation. They have a deep relationship with the Brajvasis. They can reveal their hearts before each other. This is true. So you will say in which script it is mentioned. So you will argue on that it is true or not, and who said, who wrote. So, but it is true, but it's not. But sometimes Brajvasi have their own experiences. So this is all the mercy of Srimati Radhika Rani. That's why this is all the glorification of Braja. And if you get a little bit greed in your heart, that if you get a little bit greed in your heart, that how can I become the slave of Srimati Radhika Rani? That is so fortunate. That is so fortunate. I have just one desire in my life, that how can I get the Dasyapad of Srimati Radhika Rani? How I can be the slave of Srimati Radhika Rani? These all are the beautiful feelings are describing in the scriptures. So the time is over. So I wanted to speak more. So these all are the beautiful kathas and the bhav of the Braj. And if you get the little bit greed, that how can I get the Dasipad of Srimati Radhika Rani? If you get with this kinds of abhiman, that I will be the Dasi of Dasya of Srimati Radhika Rani, then your life will be successful. Nothing else you have to do, just listen the Braj Katha only, that how this incident will happen with us, when we will get this kinds of days. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is there saying, so when you are staying in Navdeep, and when you are staying, you will get the Navdeep feelings. When you are staying in Braj, you will get the Braj feelings. So after getting the mercy of Shrimad Navdeep Dham, you will get the mercy of Vrindavan Dham, and after Vrindavan Dham mercy, you will get the mercy of Srimati Radhika Rani, and after the mercy of Srimati Radhika Rani, you will get the Dasya Pad of Srimati Radhika Rani. Hari Bol Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.